Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert pictures to your slide created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your slides, and after that you should tap on this insert button at the top of the screen, tap on pictures, and you can choose from three options. You can either select a picture from your files from your own device, you can use stock images and search within them by typing in a keyword, or you can use this Bing pictures. So I'm going to show you the stock images option. Here you can find a bunch of categories at the top. You can choose from images, icons, cutout people, stickers, illustrations, or cartoon people. Tap on images first of all, and here you can use the search bar at the top, to which you should type in a simple keyword that will help you to select the picture that you would like to insert. So just type it in, and here you will be able to find stock images that you can use. As you can see, you can go premium, thereby having access to all of the stock images available at this section. So once you have found your picture, just simply tap on it and then it will be inserted automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.